This is Robert with LiveWall, and in this video we are going to install the client and agent software on a PC so that we can set up a remote connection to the video processor. So you can see here I have the downloads folder. This is the latest installer. So I'm going to double click on that. That brings up this screen. We are going to agree to the conditions and we're going to go into options and we're going to deselect everything except for the client and the agent. So those two are still highlighted, checked. And we're going to hit OK and install. You want to say yes to make changes. And it's off and running. I don't need this downloads folder open anymore. I'll close that. And that completed successfully. So now we should be able to go into our programs and see under LiveWall control, the client is installed and the agent will start automatically.